I am great,
I'm
madam.
fine.
How are
I'm
you?
fine. I'm
Great,
fine.
great, great. Where are you from, madam? Where are you from?
I'm from UP. UP.
I see, I see. That's great. That's great. Fantastic. Yes, madam.
Okay. I've seen many videos of yours. Na? You are doing good job.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Being as an auto driver, you are doing a very good job. Yeah. I'm very feel very obliged and very after talking to you.
Yeah, same here, same here. I'm also very happy to talking to you right now. It's a pleasure. It's a privilege for
How
me
did you
that
start your journey? How did you start your journey of speaking English?
it's accidental. It's called accidental.
Tell me
Accident.
something.
Well, ask me. I'm ready to tell you. Ask me something.
Okay. When did you started your journey? When did? How long have
Well,
you been?
I have been practicing my English for the past 3 years or 4 years. I really
Okay.
don't know exactly. I really don't know exactly the time when I started my journey, but I started my YouTube journey 1 year ago during the
Okay.
lockdown. During the lockdown, I realized something that people need a suggestion related to their English. So I start giving them suggestion on a YouTube. You know,
What technique do you use? What technique do you use for improve your English?
well, practice. Practice makes you perfect. Practice,
Okay.
practice. There is no, I am not talented, madam. I tell
Oh,
you, I am a normal guy. I am not talented, but I practice a lot. I
okay.
practice a lot. In a one particular day, I practice sometimes 2 hours, 3 hours, including reading as well as reading, practice, conversation. There are lots of things I do.
Okay. You read newspaper and all books. What you read? What do you read?
Uh, well, there is no some specific thing. Whatever you have, you can read.
Okay.
Whatever.
Okay.
So there are lots of sources are available on Google. You will
Okay.
get lots of things. You will get lots of things on YouTube.
Okay.
There are lots of things available on Google, YouTube. You know,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
are lots of things available. Yes.
Tell me about your YouTube journey. How is your YouTube journey? When how you started your YouTube journey?
Well, YouTube is not a journey. I'm giving my service to the people. I wanted to enhance the people. This is just
Okay.
a source of, influence the people. YouTube is not a journey, or it's good. It's a good platform for the people. But why I am using YouTube I wanted to influence the people. If I can do, anybody can do. If I can
Yeah.
learn, anybody can learn.
After watching you, I also feel motivated. I just started speaking and lots of people to get myself better. Yeah, I'm a
Yes,
housewife, mother of two sons. One son is 21 years old and one is 19 years old, and I'm 46 years old.
I see. I see. That's
Yeah.
great. What you do? We are housewife, housemaker.
Yeah, I'm a homemaker.
I see. Tell me something about yourself. Why you are
Okay.
interested?
My name is Minu Jain and I'm a homemaker. I live in a UP, Badot, Bagpat, and my husband is a businessman. He has his my husband is a businessman. He has
Mhm.
a small agro industry. He is a manufacturer of wheel and axle.
I see.
Yeah,
Wheel and axle.
yeah, which is used in
I,
agriculture industry, like bullock cart and all. Yeah,
I, I see. I see.
and I did fashion designing before my marriage. You are,
I see.
yeah. That time I faced many problems due to English.
I
Now
see.
I always try to get better English, but
Mm,
nowadays after watching YouTube videos, na that is good to speak with people and get better by speaking with others, na get knowledge and get confidence also.
yes, yes, yes. You're getting confidence while talking with me right now. Are you
Yeah,
getting
yeah,
confidence?
yeah. Earlier it was very difficult to talk strangers. Na I feel shy. I feel hesitate. Yeah.
I,
Now I feel comfortable. Yeah.
I see. That's great. That's great. And what's your purpose now? What's your purpose that you wanted to enhance your
Self
English?
growth,
Is there
self growth, self
self growth?
confidence. Yeah.
I
And I want to get better version of myself.
I see. That's great. You wanted to update yourself as per the
Yeah.
industry requirement.
Because housewife has a whole day household work na. After that, if you work on yourself na, so it makes you happy. I
Yes,
feel that I done something for me, myself, to improve myself. Yeah.
yes, yes.
And talking
I
to like your new people na, I feel good.
I
Yeah.
see. That's great. That's great. So
I say all housewife work on herself because
yes,
housewife is a backbone of every
yes.
house. If he
I
will be
see.
happy, if she will be
Mhm.
happy, the whole house will be happy. If she
Yes.
is not good, so the house cannot be good. Yeah.
Yes.
So
House.
housewife should be
Is the pillar.
educated.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You are right. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right.
Every housewife, every lady work on herself to improve
Yes.
herself, upgrade herself day by
I
day.
see. I
Yeah.
see. I see.
Now
That's
it is very easy to get learn from internet, from technology. Due to technology, yeah, you can learn
mm,
anything. Yeah,
yes. Yes. Yes.
that is my opinion.
Since how long have you been learning English? I want to know. Can you tell me?
I am learning English from childhood, but speaking practice, I am working 2 3 months ago.
I see. So you are learning English from childhood, but but lack of the environment, you are not
Yeah,
able to.
there is a subject na English.
I see. I see. I
Yeah,
see.
in 12th.
I,
After that, I did BSc from
mm-hmm.
bio stream, and after that I did fashion designing from Pearl Academy. There was also a very speaking matlab, very English environment, but that time I was feel very shy. I not able to speak in English. Yeah,
Mm, I
and that
see.
time I was young but not use my time. That time
I
I was
see.
not so passionate about this. I feel shy.
I I see. I see.
I should now I feel कि I should work on my weakness
I
to
see.
overcome my weakness. Yeah.
I see. I see. Do you want to start your fashion designing shop or what? Do you have
No,
any
that
plan
was
for
not
that?
my passion. I always want to become a doctor.
Or you
That is
wanted
why
to
I
become
take.
a doctor?
That was my mistake to go to fashion designing course.
I
I go
see.
there because of my friends.
I
My
see. I
friends
see.
joined
Because
the
of your
yeah.
friends. Well, your friends suggest you to go to learn fashion designing.
So I was influenced by them now.
I see. I see. I see. I see.
Sometimes we take decisions in others' views,
I
and
you
we
look. The lesson we learn over here that we should not follow the crowd. We
yeah,
should
yeah,
not follow the crowd. We should not.
yeah,
And you have already follow the crowd.
yeah,
You should
yeah,
not
yeah.
follow. Anyway,
That was a
let me
big
see.
mistake. I always regret about that. Ki why should I chose that path? That was not my path. I want to
Yes,
become a doctor, yeah, medical line.
I see.
Yeah.
Where are you from, madam? You are Jain. I don't think so that you are from Rajasthan or where.
No, no, no. Meerut.
Uh,
Have you heard about Meerut? Meerut.
yes, yes, I have heard about Meerut, but where is Meerut?
Uh,
In Uttar Pradesh?
near Delhi. Delhi. Near Delhi.
I see. Yes, 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 yes. Meerut, Meerut.
Yeah.
So you people are Marwadi, isn't it?
No, Marwadi.
Uh,
Jain. Yeah.
I
You,
see.
in Surat, there are many Jains out there. In Surat, there are
Yeah,
many Jains.
there
Yeah.
are lots. There are lots of Jains are
Uh,
available in Surat.
yeah. We are non-vegetarian. Oh, pure vegetarian.
I
We are
see.
pure
Yes.
vegetarian. We are pure vegetarian.
I see. That's great. That's great.
Yeah. We eat,
Garlic. Do
yeah.
you eat garlic? Do you people eat garlic?
nowadays children and we, but not our elders. Our elders don't eat garlic, onion, and they take their dinner from the sun before the sunset.
I
Before
see.
the
Okay,
sunset.
what is the reason behind that they take their dinner before the sentence, and why they don't consume garlic and onion? What is the reason behind that?
Tamsik bhojan. You have heard about tamsik? Uh,
No.
mm, they have a property like that. They are not good for our health, according to our ancestors.
I
Potato, yeah, which is grown under the earth, na, under soil,
yeah,
under the
under the soil.
soil. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, just like potato, carrot, ginger, all are prohibited in our community. But
I see.
nowadays, all the and children eats all the things like garlic, onion, yeah. But our ancestors don't eat. They prohibited all the things. Nowadays, science also says na ki you should eat before the sunset, and they also prohibited all the things like onion, garlic.
I see. Are you following these steps? Are you following this? Are you following?
No, I ate all the things like onion, garlic. I eat all the things.
How the taste? How the taste onion and garlic? It's good.
Yeah, but my in-laws don't eat. My mom don't eat. Yeah, my
Yeah, yeah.
auntie don't eat these kind of things. Yeah,
Yeah, no problem. Let them follow. Let them follow. It doesn't
yeah.
matter. Let them. Yeah. So, madam, thank you. Thank you for Minu Jainji.
Okay.
Thank you for call. Thank you.
I
Well,
feel very obliged. You've given me your time, precious time. I feel very obliged to you. Yeah,
well, it's
very
a
grateful.
privilege moment for me. It's a privilege moment for me that you people are consider me, that you people wanted to talk to me, you people are feel me superior or in English. Thank you very much for your love and support. That you call me, you message me, you wanted to talk to me. I should say thanks to you people. I should say thanks to you.